Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove the photo background to create a cutout sticker on Instagram. So in here, I'm going to click on the plus your story first, and then I'm going to select a photo as the background. Okay, so this is the background that I want to use. And then to create a cutout sticker, you can click on the sticker icon at the top and select these cutout options. Then just select the photos that you want to create as sticker. So I want to choose this photo. Now Instagram will creating the stickers by cutting out the object in the photo. Now click on the use sticker button. Just wait. And just like that, the sticker is saved and you can create it on you can add it to your story. If you want to find the sticker, you can click on the sticker icon at the top, and here is the cutout sticker that I just created. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.